Types of physical activity. Exercise physical activity can be grouped into four main categories. Cardiovascular exercise. The purpose of aerobic exercise are to improve the heart, lungs, and circulatory system efficiency. Example of these are running, brisk walking, swimming, cycling, dancing, rowing, hiking, jump rope. This enhances stamina, burns calories, strengthens the heart, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Letter B, the strength resistance training. This help builds and maintains muscle strength and endurance. Examples of this are weightlifting, resistance band exercises, push-ups, squats, lunge, body weights, exercises. So this improves the muscle tone, bone density, and metabolism, and the joint stability. Letter C, the flexibility stretching exercises. This is to increase range of motion and reduces muscle stiffness, such as yoga, static and dynamic stretching, Pilate are the examples. So this helps improves posture, coordination, and reduces risk of muscle strain. Last, letter D, balance and coordination exercises. So this helps on maintaining stability and prevent fails. Tai Chi, single leg stance, balance board exercises, heel to toe, walking can help this. This is essential for older adults and athletes to prevent injury and improve body control.
Common physical activity-related injuries. These are the results from improper technique, overtraining, or inadequate warm-up and cool-down. Number 1. Muscle strain, overstretching or tearing of muscle fibers. Number 2. Ligament sprain, overstretching or tearing of ligaments around joints. Number 3. Stress fracture, small bone cracks due to repetitive impact. Number 4. Dislocations, bones forced out of their normal position. Number 5. Concussion, head impact injury common in contact sports. Number 6. Dehydration or heat exhaustion from inadequate hydration during intense activity.
To prevent exercise-related injuries, do the BDA. So what does the BDA stands for? It is before, during, and after exercise. You need to learn the proper way kung ano dapat yung gagawin kapag nag-exercise ka before, during, and after. So let's start doon sa before. So before tayo mag-exercise, first, you need to warm up properly. How long? 5 to 10 minutes light cardio is recommended, and also dynamic stretching. Second is use correct technique. So what does this mean? Learn proper form of exercises. Third, wear appropriate gear. It is, example nun ay supportive shoes, protective pads, and breathable clothing. Fourth, start gradually. Huwag mo biglain. Increase intensity, duration, and load slowly. Baka kasi mabigla yung katawan mo. And fifth, hydrate and fuel well. This is essential kasi the more tayo nag-exercise o the more tayo nag-engage sa isang activity, the more we sweat. Therefore, in order to maintain fluid balance and nutrition for performance, you must drink water. Next is during exercise. It is the D. It is the D of BDA. So, anong gagawin during exercise? Listen to your body. Ito po yung kapag nakakaramdam ka na po ng pain or whatsoever, napagod ka na, dizziness, or unusual fatigue, you need to stop. Listen to your body. Second is maintain good posture. Bakit po kailangan po natin na mag-maintain ng good posture? Kasi po, it reduces strain on joints and muscles. Third is avoid overtraining. From the word, avoid overtraining. Huwag po tayong mag-exert ng sobrang time. Kailangan din po natin mag-rest between workouts to allow our body to recover. Fourth is use safe environments. Check surfaces and surrounding for hazards. And lastly is what to do after exercise. First is, this is, cool down. Kailangan po ng body natin ng cool down in order for us to recover. And amat-amat po na magbalik po yung katawan natin, the pressure ng body natin to normal. So, what is the recommended time for cool down? Pareho gyapon po sa warm up. It takes 5 to 10 minutes of light movement and stretching. Second is rehydrate and fuel. Drink water. Pero wag niyo po biglain, baka kasi po yung body ninyo. Kailangan niyo po mag-restore ng nawala pong fluids and nutrients doon sa body. Third is rest and recover. Sleep and rest days are vital for muscle repair. And fourth is seek medical help if persistent pain or swelling occurs.